In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $400 or more per day with literally just posting sounds of rain. I know this sounds absolutely insane, but there are people earning even more than that every single day by simply posting sounds of rain. So let's dive into my computer. Let me show you step by step exactly how you can do this from anywhere in the world during your spare time. All right, so here you can see if you go to YouTube and you type in rain sounds, here you can see that there's tons of videos showing up. And if you look at this tool on the side, Video IQ, which is a tool that we use to see all different types of data around videos and search volume, you can see that the average age is 4 years, but what's crazier is the average views is literally 52 million, which is absolutely crazy. So first and foremost, all you have to do is you have to find out who is one of the top players in this industry or in this category who's dominating it. Don't try to reinvent the wheel, just mimic what is working. So the easiest way to become successful at anything is to simply mimic success. So we're scrolling down and right off the back, it looks like organically ranked #1 is the relaxed guy for soothing rain sounds for sleep, rain sounds for sleeping, insomnia, and studying or relaxing. When we click on this video, we'll be able to actually scroll down and see, what is this guy doing? We can see some of the data in regards to this guy's video, into this guy's channel. Here you can see that this guy's getting 666 daily subs, over 20,000 subs per month, and his channel has a total view of over 348 million views, which is absolutely insane. So you can see a little bit about what these guys are doing. And if you stick to the end, I'm gonna share with you 3 strategies that you can use to increase your revenue with the strategy, so you don't wanna go anywhere. Now, the way that we can determine how much these people are making and see how much they're making per video, that way we can determine if we wanna make a video like this, is by using a free resource called Socialblade. So if we go over to Socialblade and we type in this guy's channel, which is The Relaxed Guy, it's gonna pull up all of his data. So here you can see he's got 1,150,000 subs. If we click on this, it is literally gonna show you all of the data. So here you can see that his yearly earnings or annual earnings is nearly $500,000. Now, what I've seen reviewing my personal account against this and also seeing other YouTubers talk about it is this is off, right? So mine is off by like about 1/3. So he's generating way more money than this. But here you can see if we scroll down and we look at these different videos and we look at these different days, every single day he's earning between $154 to $2,500, right? Here you can see his daily average is 1.3 thousand, daily averages up to 8.9 thousand. So this guy's generating a lot of money. Keep in mind, these are estimates, and I guarantee you that they're earning a lot more than this. So now that we know that this works and that they're generating money, how can you do this without recording rain yourself, right? I couldn't even imagine doing that, like just setting a video recorder by your window when it rains, hoping it rains, and then recording it. I don't know how you would do that, but I'm gonna show you how to do this easy from anywhere in the world with just a computer. You don't need a ton of money, you don't need a ton of expertise, you don't need really any money whatsoever. I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. All right, so first we're gonna go to a website called Free Sound, and you can go to www.freesound.org, and this is a place where you can get free MP3s or free audio. So we're gonna go to search sounds, and we're gonna type in rain. Now you're gonna see it's gonna populate all the different sounds, and you would literally just download one of these, right? So you would listen to them, see which one you like, or see which one's close to the one that is like the one that's absolutely crushing it on YouTube. Now, expert tip right here is when you're creating this video, find out what's working and mimic it, but don't recreate it step by step. Don't use the same image, don't use the same video, don't use the exact same sounds. If you wanna do a little bit better than them and you don't wanna just rip them off, see what they're doing that works and find a way to improve it without reinventing the wheel. All right, so once you find the one that you wanna use, and let's just say it's the Big Raindrops one, you wanna go ahead and download these. Next, we need a video or a picture. Now, we've seen people that are absolutely crushing it with black screens, we've seen people that are crushing it with pictures, and we've seen people that are crushing it with videos. So then again, find what's working and mimic what's working and try to improve it if you can. If you can improve it, chances are if it's already working and you improve it a little bit, you'll be able to get results too. So we're gonna go over to Pexels.com, and Pexels is a website where we can get stock photos and royalty-free images or videos that we can use. So what we wanna do is we wanna go to the search bar and type in rain. You could type in rainstorms, thunderstorms, whatever you want, and literally scroll through and find the ones that you want. All right, so once you type in the keyword like thunderstorm, rain, whatever it is that you want, forest, rain, whatever it is, you can choose in between photos and videos. So here we have photos. If you want to do a photo, you would simply just hit this arrow and download it. If you want to do a video, what you would do is you would scroll down and find the video that you want, and then you would download it as well. So it's pretty self-explanatory, and it is pretty much the same for both of them, right? So let me go ahead and play one or two of these, see which ones we want. All right, cool. So let's say that we found the video or the picture that we like. You're simply going to click on the free download. We recommend 1280 by 720. However, you can go lower, you can go higher. This is just the standard. Once you click this, go ahead and download the selected size. And if you want to, donate to these people or whatever, you can, but it is not necessary. Now, once you have the video or picture file, and then you have the audio file, next you're going to put this into a simple software. Now, here's the step where you can do this yourself, or you can have somebody else do this. In fact, you can have somebody do the entire process. And if you hang on to the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can automate this process yourself and have somebody do everything very inexpensively. However, if you have little to no money to get started, this is very simple and you don't need any type of expertise, as I previously mentioned. All right, so I am an Apple computer user, so I'm going to go ahead and use iMovie. This is a free software that is very user interactive and it's very easy to learn. There are tons of tutorials on YouTube as well as Google. Apple itself also has tons of videos that show you step by step how to do this. I'm going to show you how to do this in a few simple drags. If you're on PC, there's tons of different softwares like Movie Maker and Premiere, so on and so forth. Just find out which one is free. You definitely don't need an upgraded one or a paid one. You just need something to blend the video and the audio, or the picture and the audio together. I'm going to show you how to do this on iMovie. What you're going to do is you're going to upload the audio and then the image or the video file that you downloaded that should be in your browser or in your downloads section, and you're going to upload it into the software. You're then going to remove any of the background sound that's associated with the actual video and replace it with the audio that we went and got. Once that's done, you're going to literally loop it for 10 hours, and I'll explain why in just 1 second, and then you are going to save and export. Now, the longest part of this entire process is going to be exporting it and waiting for this thing to render and then download. Once that's done, you're going to upload it to your YouTube channel, and that part is done. Like I said, the longest part is going to be you actually downloading or uploading this once it renders. All right, so why 10 hours? And here's the thing, for you to make the most amount of money, it comes down to video view percentage and video view duration. So scrolling down, here goes another person, which is Meditation Relax Club, and you can see that this video is 10 hours, right? And then you scroll down and here goes another one, Relaxing Ambience ASMR. This is 8 hours, and another one 8 hours. And then here goes Sleep and Relaxation 10 hours. So it seems like doing our research, 8 to 10 hours is the sweet spot, and the longer is probably going to be the best. I even see people doing live streams and premieres. So once your channel starts to take off, you could even test premieres or live streams where you can get live viewers in there at the same time. Now, as promised, if you stuck to the end, I was going to give you 3 different strategies that you can implement that I haven't seen anywhere on YouTube that you can utilize to generate way more cash flow with this strategy. So, number 3 is reaching out to people in the niche or the category of the music that you are creating for your channel, and reaching out to them and saying, hey, I have this channel that plays this video. These are the amount of views that I get per day, per week, per month, per year, so on and so forth, which are people that are meeting your demographic, your geographic, and people that want to buy your product. For a small placement fee, I'm willing to put your links on my video. That way we can drive you semantically relevant traffic for people that want to buy your product. For example, we're using rain sounds for sleep, right, and insomnia. Well, a lot of people that struggle with sleep and insomnia may use different type of sleep supplements, one of them being melatonin. If I was to go on Google or go on Reddit or go on a blog or go on Amazon or go somewhere, some type of directory, and find all the small guys, you don't want to go to the huge brands that are in Walmart and GNC because they're going to ignore you. You want to go to the small startups or the small guys who are looking to get their name out there and reach out to them and say, hey, for $100 a month, I can place your product on here and I can give you exclusive rights. Or for $500 a month, I can give you exclusive rights to a placement on my YouTube channel. Now, you can do this for 3 different people, 5 different people, 6 different people. It does not matter. There is no limit. However, I will tell you this. The more people you put on there, the less effective each and every one does. So the less links you have and the more views your video has, the more you can charge. Number 2, you can go to Amazon.com and create an Amazon Associates account, which is essentially where you can get free links or special links where you become an affiliate to sell different products. Now you could go and find 4 or 5 different products that are relevant to the actual music or things that the actual listener or viewer of your channel are going to want to buy, like maybe ambient noise producing machines, maybe playlists on Amazon Music, maybe pillows, weighted blankets. It doesn't matter. Do your research and find out, okay, what is your demographic? You can look on the back end of YouTube and find out what your analytics are, and that will tell you what your demographic, what your geographic are, as well as the videos that they're watching after your videos and most frequently with your videos, right? When you know this data, you can make a data-driven decision as to what they would like, and then you can go place those Amazon Associates links on your YouTube channel, on your video. Now, you don't have to spend any money on inventory, and every single time somebody buys one of these products, you are paid a commission. And the beautiful thing about this Amazon Associates link is they literally put a cookie on that person for 30 days. So if you have a fall asleep at night music ambient list and you have a ambient noise machine on there for $29.99 and they click the link and then buy that, yes, you get a commission off of that. But then if they go and buy a microphone and then a bunk bed and then groceries and then a controller for their PlayStation, you make money off everything that they spend for up to 30 days. So this can really compound and you can really make some money without creating a product or having any money in inventory. And number 1, which is to drive more traffic to your channel to get more ad revenue without being an affiliate, without promoting your own product or someone else's product or doing advertisement slots like I discussed, is simply increasing your search engine optimization or SEO, getting more people to your channel, more views, which is going to drive you more Google AdSense, which is money directly to your channel. One of the ninja hacks that I've done in the past with my personal stuff on my different brands is I've literally went to Reddit and I've created threads, or I've went under threads that are highly searchable, relevant, and ranking in Google on the first page for search terms related to my thing. For instance, if I went to Google and I went to Reddit and I typed in best music to sleep to or best music to study to, I would find Reddit, I would then contribute to it, have a link to my actual video on YouTube, and then I would go and do a promotion to everybody I know, friends, family, colleagues, the entire universe, and have them upvote it so it can increase. With each and every upvote, you get closer to the top, and whoever's at the top gets the most visibility. So now, if somebody goes to Google and they type best music to sleep to, they see Reddit, they want to read the Reddit responses, and you're up at the top, guess what? They read your contribution, they click your link, and now you're getting free traffic and you're increasing the SEO, because guess who owns YouTube? Google, that's right. That's a ninja hack that's going to help you increase your income with your channel. If you like videos like this where we're teaching you different income generating streams that you can create from anywhere in the world during your spare time with just a computer, and you learn something new, smash that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell, and check out the channel for other ways to make money online, including the one that literally allowed me to retire my wife, retire my mom, and become a millionaire at the age of 25.